Hey guys, welcome to Skill Hub. Today I'm going to show how to convert image to a pencil sketch. So guys, please open this image. Yeah. And copy this layer. So press Ctrl and J and it's now another copy. So you go to the image and adjustment and you see the desaturate. Click there. And now it's black and white and I'm also copy this layer. Press Ctrl and J. Okay, I make it negative, so Ctrl and I. It's now negative. Okay, you see the blending option and color dodge, and it's totally white. No problem. You see the filter option, see the blur, and press Gaussian blur. It's 0.1. Then you just increase. It's give a sketch effect. Okay, I think it's now okay for this image. It's totally different for your picture. I'm now going to press the OK. Okay, guys, you see that and press the level and you just increase that and you also see that and it's look more black in the black option. Yeah, you see here the brightness and contrast, so I'm decrease the brightness and increase the contrast. Click the upper layer and press the Ctrl Shift Alt E together and you see it's now a one picture in the layer. Okay, and click this layer and go to the filter, add some noise and it's increase. Actually all of the effect depend on image, so you increase and decrease your picture so it's give a good look. Okay, I think it's now better this amount. And you also go to the filter and sharpen and smart sharpen. Click here and smart sharpen, you click the minus zoom option and amount is 0 and reduce noise it's also 0, so you just increase this radius. Okay, and press the OK. It's now processing. White. Okay guys, it show a good scratch and you see the upper layer and press also Ctrl J for another copy. Guys, now select the upper layer and go to the filter and select the filter gallery. Okay, and it's now zoom 100%. You make it 25. Okay, you see lots of the artistic option and there poster EDGS and click here and here the many option and you see poster EDGS, select and you make it 0. Upper number 1 0 and number 3 is 0 and you increase the EDG intensity and you see that there is some black add. Okay, I'm now press the OK. Okay, and it's look no good and select the upper layer and click the mask and you see when the foreground color is black and background color is white, then we can mask and remove the black some corner. Okay, and you click the white option in the layer and you go to the brush option and increase the brush size. It's increase and you remove that. Okay, you remove the body black and it's the okay, we are remove all the background black, and it's remain in the hair and the cloth. Guys, if you see that it's now totally a pencil scratch, so thank you very much for watching our video. If you like that, please like our video and comment below and subscribe our channel. Please support me. Thank you very much.